Hello kids and welcome back. In the last mission, we start learning Python language. The commands, the statements we are going to use in our Python. We have learned some interesting features like variables and input. If a robot or your AI is asking you something, how we can do that in Python language, how do we write the code. Today we are going to learn about some interesting features or statements. I am just going to delete this one, delete everything, and I am going to start with dictionary. So what's a dictionary? Dictionary is just like a dictionary that has many informations inside. Okay, and dictionary can have a name just like a variable. This is our dictionary and I have named it as person. It should be is equal to, and it starts with middle bracket or this wiggly bracket. In this middle bracket, I need to put some information, right? And this information is coming the same way. Name, sorry, okay, name is equal to, okay, sorry, not is equal to, it should be colon here, and name should be, what is the name of the person? Ahmed. Okay, this is one information. Next information I want to put again same way. Let's say age is equal to, or for that I am going to write colon, and age can go without because it is not number. And I'm forgetting one thing, I have to put comma after each information. Next thing I want to put, let's say country. Again, and okay, so I have created my dictionary. In this dictionary I have certain information about one person, his name, age, country, that is Pakistan. So we have created this one, and this is all going within a middle bracket. Okay, so now we want to put some print information. All right, I have this print command helping me here, and I am going to write here person. That was the dictionary name. Okay, it is showing me the thing as well. And what do I need to write about this person? I am going to write again print, click on it, again person. It is giving me the end. And what do I need to print about this person? Okay, I do need to print something about this person. What is the information I want about this person? It is going in a bigger bracket. Okay, and it is giving me the hints as well. Do I want age, country, or name? Let's say I'm going to write here name. I'm going to save it. with Control S, and I am just going to click on Run Python file. Okay, and you see it has printed for me here Ahmed. Okay, I am going to clear screen, execute again, and here we have from the dictionary. It is showing me the dictionary, and it has shown what is the need I needed. I am just going to copy this one with Control C, enter, Control V, enter, Control V, and instead of name, let's say right here, what do I need to write? Age and country. I am going to click outside, Control S to save, clear screen, so we can see a clear screen here, and here we have what is it saying? There is an error, age. Why is the error? You can see A is capital in age and C is capital in C. So I have to write here same thing, age and country. Okay, after that I have to save it, otherwise it is not going to show me the results. Sorry, I have to write here CLS, clearing the screen, and you see it has printed here Ahmed 36 Pakistan. So that's how the dictionary is working. We need to have understanding what is a dictionary. A dictionary maybe have 1 million data entries in it, information about many people, and those informations can be printed as we want. If I want to print only the name of persons, I can just get the names, only the countries, or whatever I want. So we are going to use all these in advanced modules, inshallah. For now, you need to understand how the dictionary is working. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create a new file. File, new file, here. Okay, I can write directly here, and my file name would be my module. And one important thing, what was that? .py. Whenever we are creating a Python file, we need to create this with py extension. I am just going to enter. So it is going to ask me where to. It should be in the same folder of Python course. It should not be anywhere else. Okay, I am going to create the file, and you can see in the top menu I have welcome, lesson 1, and then my module, and currently I am in my module. I can switch back to lesson 1 or my module or welcome. If I want to close this welcome, I can just click on the cross, and now I have only 2 files here. Okay, so that's how we can use multiple files at a time. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to come here and copy this dictionary. I'm just going to here my module. Okay, all right, something is missing, the wiggly bracket. All right, so if my code, something is wrong in my code, it is going to indicate me by becoming red in color. Okay, so I am going to save it with Control S, or I can save from here as well, save. Okay, and let's change the name of a person. Let's say one. Okay, there should not be any space here between the, if I'm just going to write person space one, that is not going to work. Okay, I am just going to save it. So this file has my dictionary. All right, so I have a file that has a dictionary inside, and now I'm going to create another file. Let's see, new file, and I'm going to name this file as main.py. Okay, you can name as you like, or you can follow the instructions I am giving, or the naming culture I am giving. Just press enter, where it should be in the same folder. Remember that. I'm just going to create file, and it is going to open a third file, that is main.py. Right? Okay, here what we are going to do, I am going to use import. Okay, I have suggestion here. Import what? Import space my module. It is giving me the name of files I am using here. I am going to click here, or if I wanted to write L, it is giving me the name of lesson 1. I can import from there as well, but for now I am just going to import my module that I created for this lesson. Okay, after importing my module, what I am going to do, I am just going to print. Okay, print what? Print goes in brackets, and my module here we have my module what? My module dot person 1. All right, so it is going to import information about person 1. Okay, and what do I want to print about that person? Sorry, print, I have the suggestion here. Print what? Print my module dot, what do I need to print about that person? First of all, person, and what else we want? We want to print, let's say, age, and for that I need brackets, sorry, the big brackets, and big brackets, there should be what I want to print, age, and what was the age with capital H. Okay, after that I'm just going to save it. I'm just to clear this screen, CLS, it is cleared, and I am going to run my command, and it has written here the age of my person 1. So what I have done, my dictionary is here, and I am giving the command in this file. So this is how we can use different files. We can make some code in one file and another code in one file, and we can call them into each other by import command. Okay, import my module, it is importing information from this file. So that's how data entries work. We have Excel sheets, we have big sheets which has information, and we create another file that imports information from that sheet, and that file, that is the main file, or the, let's say it's your home page, which is importing information from some other place, and we do not need to put all the code in the home page. That's all for today, and today your mission is try these, try different files, make different files in my module if you want to name same way, and write a name of another person. This is person 1, maybe you want another person as well. Then in the main.py you can write here import my module and what person 2, what is the age of person 2, or the name, just the name of person 1, and what is the name of person 1. So try all these by yourself. Try to add 2 or 3 data entries here about 2 or 3 persons. See you in the next mission. Bye bye now. Take care.